This is Ride News Now. I'm Alison Haislip. Here's the latest in air mobility. From helicopters to drones, today's stories are all about flying. First, are you in a rush to a New York City airport? Relax, because you can finally soar above traffic, courtesy of Uber, though it's not quite the flying car revelation we've all been waiting for. Ubercopter is a helicopter shuttle that whisks its well-heeled customers between a helipad in Lower Manhattan and JFK International Airport. The flight takes about 8 minutes in total, which is awesome. That same trip via car or train could take an hour or 3, depending on traffic and the speed of your subway. So, what's the catch? Well, an Ubercopter ride will cost you more than decent mezzanine seats to a Broadway show. But not you, Hamilton. You are still way more expensive. Each ride on Ubercopter costs between $200 and $250 per person. Hyundai just founded, get this, an urban air mobility division. And if that wasn't cool sounding enough for you, the Korean carmaker hired a fully badass aeronautics engineer to head the program. Dr. Jaewon Shin has spent 30 years doing R&D at NASA, developing advanced aviation tech that includes a supersonic experimental plane, electrified aircraft, and a slew of futuristic urban and traffic solutions that, frankly, make me feel pretty dumb.
You're not dumb, Allison.
Thanks, guys. Anyway, while you're probably thinking car makers should stay in their lane and avoid dabbling in airborne transportation, it's actually pretty wise for Hyundai to get into the flying car game. And they're not the first either. Porsche has already teamed up with Boeing to develop vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, and my crystal ball says this won't be the last of the automakers figuring out how to rule the skies. Okay, it might not sound as cool as Hyundai's air mobility division, but the FAA just made UPS the first sanctioned drone airline, which in my book is pretty sweet. Here's how it works. UPS has been testing drone deliveries of medical samples and specimens at a North Carolina hospital. And while the system has successfully decreased traffic and pollution, I can't stop having nightmares about vials of blood just falling from the sky. So thanks for that, UPS.
You know, medical samples can sometimes be feces, too.
Anyway, the FAA's move is a big one that makes UPS a legit innovator, though it won't exactly swing the door open to widespread drone deliveries quite yet. There are a few hurdles to overcome, and UPS still needs to get approval for all flights outside the operator's line of sight. But hey, you gotta start somewhere before those drones show up at your door, hopefully without vials of blood.
Don't forget poop!
Ugh. For more tech news, join us over at Ride.Tech, and be sure to follow RideTechNews on your social platform of choice.
Oh my God, I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know what we're gonna do. She's too perfect. She's too perfect. Dude, we have a problem. What's wrong? Dude, she's too perfect. There's no outtakes.
That's fine.
No. What do you mean it's fine?
It's fine. There's no problem. You need to relax. Alison Haislip is the host. I'm the director. You're the producer. Pete King is the head writer. And our writing staff is Bassem Wasif, Blake Zirong, and Nick Kraszewski.
Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Also, head to Ride.Tech for stories, reviews, and more news.